Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always, and just want to wish everyone happy holidays, um, Merry Christmas, whatever you guys celebrate. Um, and yeah, just a pretty random video. Not sure if I mentioned, but recently I was planning a trip to go see my brother, and actually I just got back from that trip. And in the town that he lives, they have a Princess Auto store. Um, Most of you are probably familiar, but it's basically like a Canadian version of Harbor Freight. It's a big store, lots of tools. By the name of the store, you would think it's like an auto parts store, but it's actually more tools and stuff. They do have some like trailer parts and stuff like that. But anyway, kind of was able to spend a few bucks of my Christmas money, and I thought I'd share a few things that I got. I can't get over some of the prices that I have at this store. Um, I guess I'll share this one first. Finally got a nice another flex head ratchet. This one's in 1/4 inch, and it's a pretty long handle. Probably offshore brand, but really well made, good guarantee on it, and feels like pretty fine tooth. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Again, a lot of this stuff's not lock related, but one of the things I got kinda is in a way. Finally got these socket rails that I've been wanting for a while. Um, Maybe I'll put a picture at the end of how my toolbox looks now that it's all nicely organized and stuff. These were $3 for 3 of these rails. I had the sockets already, obviously. 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. The ratchet was $10 on special. Got this torch for $5. Couldn't turn that down. Be using that for my heat shrink. And last but certainly not least, and what I really wanted to share, couldn't get over this. I've been wanting one of these for a while, and it's going to take up the whole frame here. Let's see what we can do about that. But it's basically like a Pelican style case, and like I said, I've been wanting one of these for a while, and they're just too damn expensive. Like, couldn't justify spending whatever $80 on one of these, but at this store they were $15. So I got one, and when I got back to my brother's and I was opening it up and checking it out, I decided to go back the next day and get another one. And with that one, I just finished this now. Kind of wanted to share. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. Not sure if you guys know, but it has the pick and pluck foam that you can basically make any cutout. You just kind of pick out the pieces that you don't need and make cutouts to suit what you want to put in here. And I kind of take this around every now and then, and it's really hard to transport. You put it in a bag, and it pokes holes through the bag, and it's just really really hard thing to transport. So I figured it'd be a good use of this case. I think it's pretty cool, actually. Have my S&G 6741, and I gotta clean this plexiglass up a bit, but was able to make a nice form for it, and I can put my base in there too, so I can take this out and demo it, which I do actually do quite often. Different people that are interested, I'll demo it for them, or actually I have demoed locks for different people too. But anyways, yeah, I can just put this in here. It's a little bit too high. Well, I might cut that down. And this mount fits in really nice too. And I can put my vernier scale in there, and I can put my clamp in here too. Yeah, so I thought that was pretty cool. You guys are probably like, oh my god, well, this is not not deserving of a video, but I figured I had to share it with you guys, and I don't have Twitter or anything like that, so I figured just make a video of it. Someone might find it interesting. Yeah, really love these cases. I don't know why, I've always loved boxes and storage and organization ever since I was younger. But for this one, I'm kind of thinking of making it a lock storage thing. I already have my, not sure if I showed you guys where this sits in my room, but my display box. But I was thinking of taking this and making it like you know what I mean, like a portable box to put locks in if I'm whatever going on a trip and I want something to play with, or if I'm demoing something for someone, or just whatever. But I think it would be cool for padlocks. I'm just not sure how to go about arranging the box. I'd probably put them in like this upwards. I'd run out of room too quick if I put it this way. But yeah, a few padlocks, maybe a few mortar cylinders, and yeah, the way this works, there's 2 layers of these, and they're called the pick and pluck foam. So little squares, I don't know, about, let's see here. Yeah, half-inch squares. And they go all the way through, so you can make your shape, and then if it's too deep, you can take the shape that you cut out, you can layer it and put that back in, and then you can get, you know what I mean, set up with any shapes and cutouts you really need. But I'm going to sleep on this one. I'm going to decide how I would go about putting a bunch of padlocks in here. I think I would at least want 1 square between every section, and padlocks come in all shapes and sizes, so I don't know the best way to do it where it would still be, you know, pleasing to the eye. And I only have so many padlocks that are worth putting in here, so would definitely want to put some mortar cylinders in here too. I guess some of them are the same width, so, and I'd probably go pretty well to the bottom with a lot of them. But anyway, I'm blabbing on. Just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'll keep you up to date on what I do with it. If anyone's interested, yeah, just let me know. Alright guys, again, just a random video. Hope everyone's having a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays, and I'm sure I'll talk to you guys before the New Year. So yeah, take care guys. See you on the next one.